What is your issue with the police?
I ain't had no issue. You came up to me showing Modelo.
Okay,
like, what was up with that?
I didn't come up to you.
You went like this. You went like that. Well, you didn't do that?
I did.
All right, then. So
you know
what's
what?
the point?
Because you're videotaping, so I want to make sure you see the beer, too, that they were drinking.
It's not funny, though. Nobody's like, it's not funny.
I didn't say it was funny.
And you'll come here harassing me, grabbing me and shit.
I'm not harassing you.
You are harassing me. You came over here to tell me how old I was and do I go to school. I told you, and I
asked you, because you have a backpack?
All right, so what? He has this backpack, too.
Yeah, but you ran away. You told me how old he was.
Right,
so that's not being sketchy. You're kind of being sketchy.
No, I'm not being sketchy. I'm not being sketchy. I already told you I was 19.
In this video, a young man recording police officers in Long Beach is suddenly approached and aggressively questioned under the guise of investigating daytime loitering. The officer insists that the young man looks like a juvenile who should be in school, using this minor assumption to initiate a restrictive detention. Despite the young man stating multiple times that he is 19 years old and has done nothing wrong, the officer refuses to accept his word and continues to restrict his freedom of movement.
I don't answer no questions.
What's that?
I don't answer no questions.
Well, I'm just trying to find out if you're supposed to be in school or not.
You're
21?
Yeah.
How about you? How old are you?
Don't worry about it, sir.
You know what? Well, since we're by the school, yeah, I'm a little worried about it because that's what we're supposed to be doing.
That's fine,
so
sir.
Are you supposed to be in school right now?
Nah, sir.
Okay, how old are you?
Doesn't matter, sir.
Yes, it does matter.
No, it doesn't.
See, he told me he's 21. How old are you?
All right, doesn't matter how old I am.
Okay.
Get record, fool, because he's trying to do some bullshit.
Come on over here.
Oh, you got it?
Recording. It's okay. Come on over. Come on. Let's
go
over because I got to figure out how old you are, if you're supposed to be in school or not.
I don't want no searches or no seizures.
Well, it doesn't matter.
It does matter because I didn't do nothing.
Listen to me.
No.
School's in session.
All right, I know that.
Okay. You look like you're supposed to be in school.
Well, I'm not.
Well, then how old are you?
Does it matter?
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
You came over me because I'm recording you.
That has nothing to do with it.
All right, then why you?
I'm telling you why.
You're harassing me right now, sir.
Okay, come on. Let's come on over here.
The confrontation escalates as the officer physically grabs the young man's arm and forcibly tries to move him toward a police vehicle. This escalation highlights a common abuse of power, where officers use physical intimidation to force compliance from individuals exercising their rights. The United States Supreme Court ruled in Terry v. Ohio that a police officer may stop and frisk a person only if they have a reasonable suspicion that the person is committing, or is about to commit a crime. Because recording in a public space is not a crime, the officer's physical contact and forced movement constitute an unlawful and corrupt application of force.
Come on, let's go over here.
Nah,
yes, I can.
You're assaulting me, sir.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let's walk over here.
All right, for sure.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with him videotaping. That's his right to do so.
Yeah, so why he's coming over here telling me how old I am? I didn't even do nothing.
Because
listen.
you look young, and
I'm not young. I'm not young.
How old are you?
I'm just making sure y'all don't do nothing.
That's fine. We're not. How old are you then?
I'm old.
See?
I'm old.
I don't know. You got ID to prove it?
I do have idea, but I'm not gonna show you. I didn't do no.
All right. Come on.
I ain't do no crime. No.
I know, but until I find out you're not supposed to be in school.
One whole thing.
All right, I'm 19 there.
Okay, where's your ID?
I don't have ID. I don't gotta provide ID if I ain't do no crime.
Is
that right or not?
No, it isn't.
I'm not. It's not.
Listen, if you
can I have your name and your badge number?
It's right there.
And your badge number?
It's 5641.
Your name, badge number?
5377.
All right.
Now, what is your name?
I don't have to provide.
I just asked you.
Listen, I understand.
I don't have to provide name. I didn't do nothing wrong.
In your opinion, you didn't. In our opinion, you did.
Like what?
Okay.
Saying not. Saying not what?
You're gonna let me finish. You're gonna interrupt me.
I don't know, cause you're.
Okay. Well, I can't answer your question.
He came up to me.
Yes.
For no reason.
No, I had a reason.
What was the reason?
You look kind of young.
I'm not young. I'm about to go to work.
Okay. Well then, can you prove it?
No, because then you're trying to go run me in your system. Like,
what does that matter? I just want to make sure you're old enough.
I am old. I told you already.
Okay,
I'm 19.
What's your name?
I don't have to tell you my name. I don't have to tell you my name, sir. You know that. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. Let me explain something to you.
You can explain everything you want, sir.
We can do this real
You
quick.
have a body cam on? No, you guys don't.
No.
You see, now it's more sketchy now. You see,
Why
I don't want
sketchy? You have your video.
You just grabbed me and took me over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm trying to get you over to my car.
I don't want you. We're fine right here talking.
Then just show me your ID or
I don't
I
don't gotta show you no ID.
Yeah, you do.
For what? For what crime?
I just explained to you.
I'm not. I just told you. He told you he's 21.
The crime of daytime loitering.
You with them.
No, I'm with you. I'm doing
what did I do?
Daytime loitering. Okay?
Oh, daytime loitering.
Yeah.
Wow.
Juveniles, daytime loitering. So I got to figure out that you're not.
That's right. How are we loitering?
Do you know what loitering is?
If you're,
Yes, we
you're
do.
supposed to be in school.
We are not in school.
Well, I don't know that. So all you have to do is prove that to me. Then.
No, I told you I'm 19. I don't gotta prove you. He told you he's 21. Why are you telling him to go prove something?
Because he's not being sketchy like you.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I was
you
recording. You come up.
No.
You post up a
If you
Modelo
would have told me, hey, I'm 19, right away.
Nah,
I might have said
I don't gotta
okay.
tell you nothing. It's my rights.
Okay. Listen to me. I'm gonna call another unit now.
You can call
They're gonna take you to the school now.
What school?
Jordan.
I don't go to Jordan.
Well, I don't know that.
Well, I don't go to Jordan.
Well, that's where you're gonna end up going unless you show me how old you are.
All right, now I'll file a complaint on y'all.
Huh?
I'll file a complaint on y'all for
That's
harassing
fine.
me.
You can.
All right, and I will.
But they're gonna come and take you anyway until
That's
you
fine.
ID yourself.
I don't gotta ID myself.
Okay.
That's crazy. You see this?
Let me ask you something. What?
I'll answer no questions.
10-4 regular code, just one. What is your issue with the police?
I ain't had no issue. You came up to me showing Modelo.
Okay,
like, what was up with that?
I didn't come up to you.
You went like
showing Modelo.
this. You went
No,
like that. Well, you didn't do that?
I did.
All right, then.
Do
So
you know
what's
what?
the point?
Because you're videotaping, so I want to make sure you see the beer too
not,
that they
it's
were
not
drinking.
funny though. Nobody's like, it's not funny.
I didn't say it was funny.
And you'll come here harassing me, grabbing me and shit.
I'm not harassing you.
You are harassing me. You came over here to tell me how old I was and do I go to school. I told you, and I
asked you because you have a backpack.
All right, so what? He has a backpack too.
Yeah, but you right away you told me how old he was.
Right,
so that's not being sketchy. You're kind of being sketchy.
No, I'm not being sketchy. I'm not being sketchy. I already told you I was 19 and that's it.
No, you told you.
Yeah, I did tell you. I did tell you.
Not till after.
After you grabbed me and assault me, of course I'm gonna tell you. I don't know what else you might do to me.
What school did you go to that you think that's assault?
What? So if I grab you right now, it's not assault. You see, it is assault. You see, it is assault, sir.
No, going
you know
like
that.
this is not
nah,
assault.
don't touch me now. Don't touch me
I'm
now.
showing you. I'm explaining
I
to
don't
you.
want you to show me, so don't grab me. Because now you're gonna assault me again.
What is your issue?
I have no issue. What's your issue?
I don't have any. I'm just saying you're.
I was trying to record
angry.
them just to show you I don't do nothing.
What happened to you?
What happened to you?
See, you don't answer no questions.
Nope. I answer
Why?
no questions.
That's why I'm trying to figure out what happened to you.
Nothing's wrong with me, sir. I just came here to record.
Okay.
You pull up a Modelo. I was like, that's dumb. Why would you do that?
What are we talking about?
Oh, I was talking to him.
You looked at me.
Well, I want you to hear. Why are you not paying
I
attention?
have pretty good hearing, dude. If you're talking
You said you had pretty good hearing, but you couldn't hear.
You asked a Modelo. I asked a clarifying question.
Yeah, because we were just talking about it, sir.
You're having this whole thing. You want to act very smart, which I'm not saying that you're not. But in doing so,
all right, sir.
All you're doing is
it's good. It's cool. It's cool.
With a conversation.
It's cool. It's fine.
Oh, see, here comes our sergeant now. See?
It's
so
fine.
That's even better for you.
It's fine, man. Shoot. I know I didn't do nothing wrong. I have no problem.
Throughout the lengthy interaction, the corrupt nature of the stop becomes clear as the officers repeatedly demand the young man's physical identification and personal information. The citizen stands his ground, knowing that he is under no legal obligation to hand over documentation just because an officer demands it. In Heibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, the Supreme Court affirmed that identity demands are only lawful if the underlying stop is based on reasonable suspicion, meaning officers cannot simply force citizens to identify themselves without legal justification. The officers in the video openly abuse their authority by threatening to place the young man in handcuffs and take him away, simply for refusing to capitulate to their groundless demands.
Y'all came
Well,
up
I
with
know.
me.
If
You
it's not a
grabbed
problem, then all
me.
I wanna find
You
out
grabbed
is how old
me.
you are.
You sorry? I told you I was 19 already.
Well, you got proof?
No, I don't have to prove.
Okay, what's your name and birthday then?
Why? You see, I know. I'm not doing that either, sir. Come on. You know, I have
Hey,
rights.
what's your birthday? You
I
know
have
your
rights.
birthday?
He doesn't have the right to tell you. He didn't do no crime.
Oh, is
He-
is
This
he
is
the
my,
one that
this is
tells
my
you what to do?
cousin. This is my cousin.
Okay. Well, let him talk then.
No,
you
he
can
don't
talk.
have to talk. He can stay right there all he wants.
I didn't say.
I
you
didn't do
can
nothing
talk,
wrong.
though.
Sir, can you
We're
get
not
your guy?
talking.
He came over here and insulted me, grabbed my arm, telling me how old I was.
We
Like,
got two
and I told you I was
possible juveniles
19.
over here who doesn't want to talk.
What school you go to?
I go to LBCC. Now he grabbed me, tugged
See,
me.
why couldn't you tell me that?
Cause you grabbed me and started tugging me.
Not
you tried to
before
come
that.
up me and try to.
I was telling you to come
try
over
to
my car, yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 19, sir. And you over here grabbing
Do
me.
you have ID to prove you're 19?
Do I have to show ID if I
Well,
never
I'd like
did?
to know if you're 19. Otherwise, maybe you go to school.
I don't go to school, sir.
Okay,
You
well,
can take my
how
word.
How do I know that? I don't know you from Adam, right? Do I
From
know
where?
you? Do I know you?
From Adam?
Yeah. You know Adam and Eve from the Bible?
Yeah.
If I saw Adam standing here, would I know who he is? No, because he died 2,000 years ago.
What I
So
know,
how
God
do
is
I know
real.
that you don't go to school right
Shit.
here and you're just
How you know if
skipping
that's
school?
even real? Do you know that's real?
What's that?
It's an example proof. It's a clear speech.
I know, but like, do we really know
I'm not
God's
talking to you,
real?
sir. I'm talking to him.
All right, you stay with it then, man.
How they're videotaping so they can put it on YouTube or whatever.
Nah, I was just trying to make sure they were all right. He
Yeah,
comes
okay,
over
he's just
here,
trying to make sure that you don't belong in the school.
and I'm
right there.
not. I told him. I told him already. You can take my word for it.
No,
If you
we don't- we don't take people's
then
word
I don't
for
know, cause you
So
just
if
want
you
to.
really wanted to, we could handcuff you, take you over to the school, and go.
That's
hey,
what I told him.
well, yeah, he goes here.
Or
he
no,
doesn't
he
go
doesn't
here.
go here. Then we go. Okay, there you go. Go on your way.
You give me a name and a date of birth, I can make sure who you are. We're out of here. We leave you alone. Right?
I already said I was 19, sir.
Yeah, that doesn't.
Now you're gonna harass me, violate my
Well,
rights.
Unfortunately, if that's how you feel.
No, it's how
that's
it's
not
how
what
I
it
know.
is.
It's how I see it.
Well, that's how you see
You
it,
came
but that's
over
not
here
what
and
it
grabbed
is.
me, telling me
That's
to
not
come
what
to
it
your
is.
car.
Okay. So
Well, you know that's
what's your
assault.
birthday?
I'm not telling you my birthday,
Okay, look, it's gonna
man.
go one of two ways. Either we're gonna handcuff you and take you over to school and make sure you don't belong there, or we're gonna find out who you are and then we'll leave you alone. It's real simple. I mean,
It's
I don't
up to you.
understand.
Those are your choices.
Nah, you see,
You look
not,
like you're underage to me. You don't look like you're 19. So
all right, it's
that's my
fine, bro.
opinion.
That's fine.
You have a backpack. You're at the school.
All right, I have a backpack. He has a backpack too. We go to the same job.
Did we find out who he was? Okay.
So,
How far are you? I mean, do you want to take him over to school and find out who
well,
he is?
yeah, I have a unit coming right now.
All right, it's fine.
So if you want to go to the school,
No, it's fine, man. You guys are harassing me and everything.
No, it's not harassment.
It is
Tell me who
harassment,
you
man.
are. No,
He,
it isn't.
he assaulted
No, it
me
isn't.
too.
Why don't you go to law school and you can figure it out?
Nah, I don't gotta go to law school.
Yeah, you do.
Well, all right,
You
man.
watch too much YouTube. That's your problem.
Nah,
Yeah.
sure. That's
where do you
it is.
live?
I ain't gotta tell you that. I live around here though. That's for sure.
So you don't want to tell us your birthday yet. You want to be placed in handcuffs instead.
If that's how it's gonna go,
Yeah,
y'all
that's
want.
how it's gonna
is-
go.
All right, then you.
That's
guys-
how it's gonna go.
All right then, sir.
Okay.
Y'all want to harass me and stuff. He assaulted me already. It's all
It's
good.
not assault. It's,
Nope, it is assault. It is assault. If he just comes up to you and just grabs you and tugs on you,
we're done.
all right,
We're
sure.
done now.
All right.
The entire incident serves as a stark example of how some law enforcement officers retaliate against citizens who choose to film them. The young man correctly points out that he was only targeted and harassed because he had his camera out to document the officer's actions. As established in Glick versus Kniff, the First Amendment protects the right to film government officials, including law enforcement officers, in the discharge of their duties in a public space. Rather than respecting the Constitution, these officers chose to violate a citizen's basic civil liberties in an attempt to protect themselves from public scrutiny.